Transform your vision into reality with CP Drafting and Design. Dreaming of your perfect home or planning a remodel? At CP Drafting and Design, we specialize in custom home designs, new construction plans, remodeling and additions. Our services include from basic 2D plans to stunning full 3D renderings and videos. We provide everything you need to visualize and plan your perfect space. See your dream home come to life before construction even begins. With years of experience and an eye for detail, we bring your ideas to life with precision and creativity. Whether it's a cozy retreat or a grand estate, we tailor every plan to fit your needs, style, and budget. Ready to get started? Let's make your dream home a reality. Contact us today for a consultation. Call 501-517-6976. Email cw@cpdraftinganddesign.com. Visit .cpdraftinganddesign.com. Let CP Drafting and Design build the blueprint to your future.